Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 6 Knobb Hill Drive in Pittsford.
This is an amazing hilltop Pittsford property. So let's take a tour. As you enter this spectacular home, you are greeted with this beautiful great room. Featuring newly finished hardwood floors and a bluestone fireplace with a cypress wood accent wall.
Open from the great room, this beautiful dining area is light and bright and leads to an eat-in kitchen with beautiful cabinetry.
The upstairs features 3 bedrooms with hardwood floors and 2 full bathrooms, including this spacious master suite with a wood accent wall and hilltop views.
The walkout lower level has an entertainment-sized family room with a second bluestone fireplace, leading to an adjacent bedroom, plus a powder room and laundry, and an enclosed porch with a built-in barbecue and a wall of windows. This home features a maintenance-free exterior with a beautiful brick entryway. Enjoy the outdoors from this expansive brick patio overlooking the half-acre hilltop lot.
Knobb Hill Drive is a neighborhood of fine homes, ending in a cul-de-sac steps away from the village of Pittsford. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6 Knobb Hill Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!